In today's video I'm going to show you how to do half double crochet 4 together. So you're going to be putting 4 stitches together to make 1. To begin a row or a round, all you're just going to do is chain 2. And we're going to simply just pick up the one that's right below it, so the same one, so yarning over, going into the stitch, pull through, and you're gonna keep that on your hook. So you're gonna go into the next one, so wrap and go into the next stitch, pull through. There's gonna be a lot of yarn loops on this one for this particular stitch. Then yarning over, going into the next one. This is number 3 of 4. And then finally you're gonna go into the 4th one, yarning over and into the 4th. The trick for this particular stitch is to keep your tension nice and kind of loose so that you can get your hook through, and then once you've had that done you're just gonna yarn over and pull through all of those loops. You might have to take your time. This is not a very common stitch, but it is used once in a while. So to begin, if you're doing in the middle of a round or a row, you simply yarning over, and let's collect the next 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So just yarning over, pulling through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through, and there is another 4 that's done, and then just yarning over, pulling it through all of those loops. It's a little bit of a wiggle practice to get it through, but sometimes this is necessary depending on the pattern. So I've kind of dropped it a little bit, but now I've picked it back up. So this is how you do half double crochet 4 together.